What you're about to witness is not just construction. It is the rebirth of an ancient, forgotten art form. Deep in the wild, one man seeks to build a sanctuary, using only his hands and the hidden knowledge of his ancestors. Every joint, every beam holds a secret. The unveiling begins now. The craft demands absolute precision, a dialogue between hand and wood. From these humble beginnings, a monumental form will emerge. Each shaving of wood is a deliberate whisper of the past. The foundation is laid not with machines, but with patience. Slowly, the forest itself lends its strength to the vision. The first lines of the shelter are drawn against the sky. A symphony of wood and will, taking shape piece by piece. This is where raw material is transformed into legacy. The structure's bones are meticulously locked into place. Each hammer blow is a heartbeat, echoing ancient rhythms. The roofline begins its ascent, a promise of shelter. Perfection is not an option. It is the only way. The builder works in quiet communion with his materials. A timeless geometry emerges from the wilderness. The final check ensures the skeleton is ready for its skin. The heaviest timbers are now moved into position. Even the local inhabitants seem to watch with curiosity. The earth is prepared, consecrated for the coming structure. With astonishing strength, the first pillar is raised. The footprint of the new home becomes a reality. Transporting these massive beams is a Herculean task. Ingenious, simple mechanics are employed to lift the impossible. Now, with the core structure in place, the true work begins. A moment of reflection, surveying the progress made. The highest beams are guided into their final resting place. Carefully, the roof begins to take its final shape. Each piece must fit perfectly, held by gravity and skill. A powerful jack lifts the immense weight, allowing for fine adjustments. High above the ground, the builder works with focused resolve. The silhouette of a home now stands against the forest canopy. The intricate puzzle of the roof continues. It is a delicate dance of balance and strength. The frame is nearly complete, a testament to one man's vision. The final rafters are secured, completing the wooden skeleton. And in the heart of the jungle, a sanctuary is born. The structure stands, ready to be cloaked from the elements. Behind it, the ancient mountains stand as silent witnesses. The builder continues his ascent, working ever higher. Each beam is a testament to his unyielding determination. Now, attention turns to the roof's delicate protective skin. Bamboo, a gift from the forest, is prepared with a careful hand. With the frame complete, a new phase of the creation begins. A lattice of bamboo is laid, the foundation for the thatched roof. Quickly and efficiently, the pattern unfolds across the structure. Every piece is tied down, secured against wind and rain. A moment of satisfaction, the lattice work is complete. Next, another gift of nature is harvested: palm leaves. This will become the home's living, breathing canopy. The first layer of thatch is laid, an ancient waterproofing technique. Patiently, the roof is woven, one leaf at a time. The final touches are applied, binding the leaves into a single shield. The completed roof, a masterpiece of natural engineering. It blends seamlessly into its wild surroundings. A perfect harmony of human ingenuity and nature's design. The structure is no longer a frame, but a true shelter. The art of thatching is a skill passed down through generations. The builder's focus is unwavering as he weaves the final layers. From below, the finished roof appears both dense and delicate. He makes final adjustments, ensuring its resilience. A well-earned rest beneath the shelter he has created. With the roof complete, the focus shifts to the floor. Every measurement must be exact for the foundation to be true. The floor joists are carefully placed and secured. With a traditional handsaw, each board is cut to size. The first floorboards are laid, transforming the space within. Slowly, the ground gives way to a solid wooden foundation. The rhythmic sound of the hammer echoes through the forest. The final pieces of the floor are fitted into place. Using a simple plumb line, he ensures the walls will be perfectly straight. The floor is now a solid stage for the next act of creation. A final test of its strength and stability. The work is laborious, but the results are built to last a lifetime. He moves with a quiet confidence across the floor he has built. The completed frame now stands proudly, awaiting its walls. The final cleanup marks the end of a major phase. Now the soul of the house begins to form with the interior. His loyal companion watches over the painstaking work. The walls are not raised, but meticulously crafted piece by piece. Measure twice, cut once. An ancient rule that defines mastery. Small details, like wooden pegs, reveal a commitment to tradition. The chisel carves out joints that will hold for a century. The first elements of the interior walls are set in place. The house is beginning to feel like an enclosed, protected space. The beautiful thatch of the roof can be seen from the inside. The process is slow, deliberate, and meditative. Another piece of the wall frame is hammered home. From the outside, the inner life of the house takes shape. The repetitive, precise work of the chisel continues. Each board for the walls is cut by hand. There is an artistry in every swing of the mallet. The wall framing continues to grow, section by section. Now the painstaking task of fitting the wall panels begins. The structure is robust, a fortress of natural wood. More joints are carved, each one a perfect, interlocking puzzle piece. With the main construction done, the final cleanup begins. The walls are installed, panel by panel, enclosing the sanctuary. The house is now a solid form, nestled in the green landscape. The craftsman stands in the doorway, a guardian of his creation. Even the smallest components are hand-carved with immense care. A window is framed, opening a view from the shelter into the wild. He inspects the work, ensuring the light flows in perfectly. The faithful companions rest, their home now nearly complete. The texture of the wood tells a story of its life in the forest. Even the raw materials for the next stage are prepared by hand. The door is carefully hung, a gateway to the inner sanctum. Agile and precise, he works on the exterior walls. The roofline is given its final, defining details. Every board is placed with intention and purpose. The home is a testament to what is possible with simple tools. The work continues, with each detail adding to the whole. He gazes out the window, now part of the world he has built. Final adjustments are made to the intricate roof structure. The last of the exterior panels are secured. To reach the highest points, even the tools must be handmade. A simple, sturdy ladder is crafted from the forest's offerings. From within, the roof is a stunning mosaic of leaf and wood. The final touches are applied to the eaves of the roof. From the inside, the window frames a living portrait of the jungle. The builder, perched on his handmade ladder, works on the gable. The geometry of the frame is both beautiful and functional. This is the patient, unseen work that ensures longevity. Now the window frames themselves are being constructed. The sharp edge of the chisel carves a perfect mortise. A close-up reveals the incredible skill in the craftsman's hands. The pieces of the window frame are joined together. It is a process of creation in its purest form. The first window frame is fitted into its opening. It slides into place, a testament to the maker's precision. The house now has its eyes, looking out onto the world. The finished exterior is a marvel of rustic elegance. More frames are assembled with the same exacting standards. Each window is a small, perfect project in itself. The rhythm of the work is hypnotic, focused, and efficient. The final window is carefully guided into place. The transformation from shelter to home is nearly complete. The builder stands at the threshold of the world he has made. Now for the final piece, the main door. The home stands complete, a jewel in the forest. The interior space is now defined, filled with dappled light. The last materials are shaped with a small, sharp axe. Even a rope is made from natural fibers, tying the home to its roots. The planks for the door are cut from a larger piece of timber. The steady, rhythmic motion of the saw is a familiar sound. A stack of prepared boards awaits assembly. Even the cleanup is done with care, respecting the space. The beautiful grain of the wood is a work of art in itself. The smallest, most intricate pieces are now fashioned. The door is assembled, board by board, nail by nail. Each strike is precise, driving the nail home without splitting the wood. The door frame is carefully pieced together. This final barrier will provide security and peace. The hardware is installed, a touch of metal on the all-wood structure. The door is hung, the final act of enclosing the home. A final inspection of the entire structure. The last remnants of the construction process are cleared away. The hinge is secured, a pivot point between the wild and the home. The door is carried to its final destination. With intense focus, the door is fitted to its frame. A gentle push, and it swings perfectly into place. He works on the final details from a kneeling position. A test of the swing, ensuring a smooth and balanced motion. Now, the latch. A small but crucial piece, also made by hand. It is cut with the same precision as the largest beams, and carved with a simple chisel to its final shape. The surface is smoothed, ready for a lifetime of use. The completed house stands, a quiet monument to a lost art. Its doors and windows look out from a place of peace. The handmade latch is installed, securing the sanctuary. Strong, beautiful, and in perfect harmony with its surroundings. A home built not just with hands, but with heart. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Life in the Forest DKFOR, creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.